Good morning. It is a overcast, beautiful day up on the Lookout Mountain. I'm here at Lula Lake Land Trust. Found out Friday that they have a trail run. It's a 15K or a 5K. It's called the Nature Calls 5K, 15K. And though I was supposed to work this weekend, I ended up finding someone to cover and took the week off. Thought it was a great way to introduce you guys to my next challenge. The other day I signed up for my first ultramarathon 50K trail run. It'll be in June, and so I figured I better start getting some trail running in. So I'm going to try to hit trails on the weekends, find races, find local trails, whatever it is. So season 2 coming at you. Should be really fun. I think I have a lot of good things in store, including bringing in some other people, some guest people. Trying to find some guys to actually do a 50K with me in 2021. Anything that we can do to get ourselves healthier, that's what you obviously know that's what I'm about. So stay with me. I'm going to show you some footage from this awesome private, only open 2 weekends a month nature preserve up here on Lookout Mountain. It is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it may rain, but hopefully it's going to hold off. It's about 50, upper 50s, 60 degrees. I think it's going to be really nice. So I'm looking forward to getting out here running. Probably going to be a lot of walking. I'm just really trying to be in the woods as much as possible. So. All right, you're in it now.
All right.
Here we go. All right. Okay. 20 people are going to see you running today.
You gotta let me know what it is and we'll check it out when we get home.
The 5K and 15K go together first, and then 15K splits off. I've run next to worse places. Not bad, not bad. Good so far. Two miles in, averaging 9 to 10 minutes per mile. Oh, so far so good. All right, guys, we went up. Now let's go down, right?
Woo!
Get it, man. Get it, get it.
Better or not. It's just different. That's good.
I think I can settle in a little better, but other than that.
Yeah.
Down, down, down. I feel like it's fitting, but it's also raining. Luckily just the mist, some wind, but just takes me back to all the mountain biking days. This is awesome. So if you're signed up for the 50K with me next year, or you want to, this is kind of what the trail is gonna look like. So, hope you're out there running and getting stronger at the same time, okay? We're gonna have to do both. First walk of the run, but that's about as high as I want that heart rate to get. So. I'm good, thank you guys. Woo-hoo.
Thank you.
Volunteers are the best kind of people.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'll catch up, sorry man. Awesome. Woo! Guess where we're going? To the waterfall, baby! Look at these steps. Look at this crap. This is what I'm talking about. Who doesn't want to do this during their life? So much stuff gets taken from you. Come do this. What's stopping you? Came up from the bottom, getting close to the top. That was a lot of hiking, as you can see. Oh, should be ready to run some more once I catch my breath. That was awesome. Tons of rocks, steps, not even a rope. Awesome waterfall though, man. That waterfall made it worth it the whole way. Second time by here, but still just as pretty as the first. 6 miles in, 3 to go. Watch this guy run downhill, he's so fast. We just blistered down at like a 7:30 mile pace. Like I nearly blacked out just trying to pace this guy. So awesome. So, pretty awesome. What's up, guys?
Good job.
Director, right? Race director, right?
Yeah, man.
Nice. Thank you so much for having us. Almost there. I hope. 9.6 miles in, so the course is a little longer than 15K, but I think that's how most trail runs go. I'm definitely feeling it now, so it should be good to get done in a minute. It's been a really good race. Talked to a few other runners, got some tips. So remember earlier when I said that we were bombing down that hill and I nearly blacked out? Well, I think I missed a turn somewhere because now we are 10.2 miles and I'm still running. And I remember this part of the course from the first trail. So either this 15K is like 2 miles long, or I missed a turn and these are just penalty miles. Either way, I'm out here for a training and experience, so been pretty good so far. Here's a bridge. It's always fun. Ooh. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, well, okay. I'm sure my wife would like that.
Can you get in between them?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
This is podium.
You guys rock. You're awesome. Oh. Great. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your afternoon. Get some beer.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I said.
That was my first trail race.
Well, there you go.
Did you only know it was like 11.5 miles?
I got 10.6.
Or 10 and a half. 10, yeah, 10. Awesome.
Well, I got worried because I saw a guy.
Good job, man.
I saw a guy in the
First girl.
Alright, first girl. Yeah. Nice job.
Okay, so this is always going to be a 5 and 15K,
Okay.
but I'm going to actually put the exact distances, and it's all going to be like statistical.
Okay.
I need at least 10, and the watches have to be within the last 3 years. So you
I
got,
had 10.89 miles.
okay, that's about what I always
Yeah, I got the same.
I got 10.82.
What'd you have? 10.
do. 10.89? Cool. I was kind of hoping it's a little bit more, like we could say it's a little bit closer to a half marathon, but because I could probably add some miles to make it a half marathon, which is kind of silly because it's like this sweet, I mean, it's like the most popular distance in America right now.
The half marathon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Even on trails, people are dropping off on the marathon thing.
All right, so that was awesome. Ended up being 10.8 miles or so. I talked with the race director. He was trying to get like the exact distance, and most people were showing up about the 10.8. Totally didn't expect to come out third overall. That must have been a fluke, as in the race was supposed to be in March, so I think a lot of people with the postponement didn't actually show up. Still a pretty good turnout. I think a lot of people did the 5K, but what I've seen is about 10 or 15 people have come out from the 15K. Beautiful race. So yeah, thanks again to Wild Trails. Thanks again for Lula Lake Land Trust for letting us come out and run on your trails. It is beautiful out here, and I really look forward to coming out here again with the family and doing some hiking as well. So thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more to come. I've got a lot of learning and a lot of practice to come up with as well. So we'll see what happens. Thanks, guys.